A degree 4 equation, that normally sounds hard, but this one has a hidden shortcut. Let's solve it step by step. X to the fourth minus 10x squared plus 9 equals 0. Notice something. This equation only has x to the fourth and x squared. No x to the third, no plain x. And x to the fourth is just x squared squared. That means we can treat x squared as a single building block. Let's substitute. Let u equal x squared. Then x to the fourth, which is x squared squared, becomes u squared. Our equation transforms into u squared minus 10u plus 9 equals 0. This is now just a normal quadratic. To factor this, we need two numbers that multiply to give 9, the last term, and add to give negative 10, the middle coefficient. Let's think. Negative 1 and negative 9. Multiply them. Negative 1 times negative 9 equals positive 9. That matches. Add them. Negative 1 plus negative 9 equals negative 10. That matches too. So the equation factors into u minus 1 times u minus 9 equals 0. If two things multiply to give 0, at least one of them must be 0. So either u minus 1 equals 0 or u minus 9 equals 0. That gives us u equals 1 or u equals 9. Remember, u was never our real variable. It was standing in for x squared. Now we substitute back to find x. If u equals 1, then x squared equals 1. Taking the square root of both sides, x equals plus or minus the square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1, so x equals 1 or x equals negative 1. If u equals 9, then x squared equals 9. Taking the square root of both sides, x equals plus or minus the square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3, so x equals 3 or x equals negative 3. Let's check all four. For x equals 1, 1 to the fourth is 1 minus 10 times 1 squared, which is 10 plus 9. 1 minus 10 plus 9 equals 0. Correct. For x equals negative 1, negative 1 to the fourth is still 1, since an even power removes the negative. Same result, 0. Correct. For x equals 3, 3 to the fourth is 81 minus 10 times 9, which is 90, plus 9. 81 minus 90 plus 9 equals 0. Correct. For x equals negative 3. Negative 3 to the fourth is also 81. Same result, 0. Correct. All four solutions check out. X equals negative 3, negative 1, 1, and 3. Every step shown. Follow for more.